My name is Nicola Smith Jackson, and I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. And I just want to share, like, before FES.
Life before FES for us was very stressful.
Struggling financially, living paycheck to paycheck.
And I lost my job in March of 2015.
My mom thought that I was going to be an attorney and go to school, go to college, and have this great job, and it didn't work out like that.
Some nights we would come home to no lights. Some nights we would come home to no gas.
We've been evicted. We've been practically homeless.
And I can tell you my credit score was really shot.
Lo and behold, I was hit with student loan debt and late payments.
You know, it was always more bills than money, and I felt like I was just working from Monday to Saturday.
I told my wife I wasn't going back to work, or I wasn't going back to school, because neither one of them ever worked for me.
I don't have the skill set, I don't have the educational background, I didn't even have a network. But what I did have was the passion to help a lot of people.
And I got a call about this amazing opportunity, financial education service.
So when FES found me, it wasn't that I was looking for the opportunity, but after finding it, it's exactly what I needed.
Knowing that I have a choice, it's not really about the money, it's really about the options.
FES showed me that I don't have to settle, that I can be in a position, it gave me time freedom.
I didn't think I was going to be building a business with FES. It just really felt like home.
I saw my husband's credit score increase 97 points in the first 30 days.
I had a bankruptcy and a judgment on my credit, and the company was able to remove both items within 22 days. Now my scores are well over 700.
I'm excited about being able to come out of a storm and have a story to tell.
You may be where you are, but you don't have to stay there. I always say that if you can look up, you can get up.
I'm so grateful that I said yes to FES.